Hello, everyone. Well, I hope you're having a good evening, because I am. And today we are going to be reading, let me get it over here. Pete the Cat, Scuba Cat. Scuba Cat. Pete the Cat is excited. He is going scuba diving. Pete puts on a mask and fins. He has a tank full of air. He hopes to see lots of fish. So now that the light is focused, good, because the sun is out of clouds. You can see better, because my last video was too sunny. Well, you know, I can send these to YouTube. None your business. If you're lucky, you might see a seahorse, says Captain Joe. A seahorse, says Pete. I can't wait! I've never saw one before. I already read that one. Yes. And this is my sister. Hey. She's in pajamas. Their ridges look like a horse's mane, says Captain Joe. Pete jumps into the water. Splash! Down, down, down he goes. Up, up, up go the bubbles. Pete looks for a seahorse. He sees a swordfish. Pete swims out of its way. He doesn't realize there's one right there. I don't think he knows what a seahorse looks like. Do you? Comment down below. Pete waves to a stingray. It has a long, skinny tail. That's not a seahorse, thinks Pete. Pete looks high and low. Pete looks high and low for seahorses. Then he feels a tickle. It's right there. Right there. Pete sees a school of fish. They all look alike, except for one. It puffs up. It's a blowfish. It's not a seahorse. If you don't know what a school of fish is, it's a little group of fish that roams around the ocean or lake, because fish live anywhere in water. But they mostly have school of fishes in the ocean. Comment down below if you know what it is. Before I told you. Where could one be? Pete looks in the rocks. What is that? It is an octopus. It has 8 legs. It is not a seahorse.
That was a kitty, and it was a
My little brother. No, come back here. Come back. No. You just fell because you're sitting in a chair. What? Stop it. This is my little brother, isn't he so cute? Okay, so we're going to move here. Pete feels a tickle. What could it be? Pete turns. He sees a cave. Is there a seahorse inside?
There's a witch.
Pete sees a crab with claws. A seahorse does not have claws.
And there was a sofa.
I'm trying to get my little brother to not mess with this. The cave is getting darker. Pete feels a tickle. And we just got these books today. I'm going to read you some more, but you have to watch different videos. Then he sees an eel. Pete swims past it. It is too long to be a seahorse. Oh no! It is too dark to see. How will Pete get out?
Okay, let me read how to make this soup in the pizza.
Pete sees a jellyfish. It glows in the dark. Pete is almost out of the cave. He sees an angelfish. It is very colorful. It's just orange and black.
Orange and black. And
Pete is out of the cave. So why is it so dark? Pete is in a shadow. He is in the shadow of a whale. Yikes! Pete wishes he could jump on a seahorse and ride away. Pete hops on a sea turtle and Pete hops on a sea turtle instead. It takes him to the boat.
And there was a wizard. And he didn't know. There's a lot. Ow. And there was a witch.
I did not see a seahorse, thinks Pete. He feels a tickle on his tail. Ah, a seahorse! Cries Pete. What a surprise! He finally gets to see the seahorse. You were with me all along, says Pete. What a cool adventure.
And they know what to do.
I hope you like that book. It's kind of creative. I love Pete the Cat books. Thanks for watching. Bye.